Hello everybody, welcome to Just Learned channel. What I will be doing here is data cleaning with Excel. This data I got it using chat. What I will be doing will be the following. So the first part will be removing duplicates if there are any within this data, and then we will be handling any missing values. Thirdly, we will be doing normalizing the data, removing any outlines, and then correcting any extra errors that we see within data. The column headers here, we do have ID, name, email, age, and then the joint date and also the score. So the first part is to do that, we will always copy this data into a new sheet so that we can protect our original data in case things gets messed up. So once we have this one here, first step is highlight it all, go to data, and then remove duplicates. So this will highlight all the data here, and if there are any duplicates, it will tell you the number of duplicates it has removed, and if there are none, then it will just let you know that there are no duplicates within this data set. So for this case, we do not have any duplicates within this data set. So now the second thing that we will be cleaning will be, or we do see there is a missing values here in emails, and we will try to clean that. To do that, we will select the email column, and then we will go to find and select. Once we do that, then we go to special, and then we will click on select blank and click OK. So then we will be typing the information that we would want to type into this document. So find and select, then we go to specials, and then because of it's a blank, we will click on blanks, and then we will click OK, and here we will be typing data that we want. So no email at example.com, and then what we will be doing is control enter. So now the other missing value here we do have is the age, and for the age, what we will be doing is we will be looking into the average of the that we do have here in terms of the range. So we will be selecting the column here, and then we will do the same. We will go to find and select, we will go to specials, then click on blanks since we do have a blank space there, and then click OK, and then in the formula bar we type the average, and then you basically replace that with the average that we do have in that information there. So once we click on that, find and select, go to specials, blanks, and then we will say equal to average, and in this average what we do have is this information, comma, and then the one that's starting from here, comma, and then enter. And then what we will do is actually we will click on control. An easy way that I would like to do with this one, I will actually take that one there, so it becomes an easier for us to have that average. So here we do have that number, so here we will actually, so now we know, find and go to specials, blanks. So basically it was 28, and then we'll say control enter. All right, I don't know why that actually happened. Then now we will go to the missing score, and here in the missing score we will do the same, but then because of we do have a null in this information, what we will be actually be doing is also the average, and I like to find the average early on. So the average is 89. Find and select, go to specials, and then we will go to blanks as well. I believe it was 78 that I did found. Let me go back one. Yep, 89, sorry. So here we will go to special, blanks. I don't know again why this is getting that, but I will get rid of it, and then control enter. So now we do have all of that information, but I do believe we will be do have a null that is there, and sometimes it's easier to take care of that with this smaller data set. We can just take that one and then just type unknown. All right, so to normalize this data, we might have some of these names that could have a small capital letter, like especially for this one that I put as an unknown, the first letter is a small letter. So to do that, we'll just click here, proper, and what the proper will do is it will make sure that the first letter for the first name or the last name will all be capitalized. So once we do that, For example, now if you see here unknown had a small letter, but here it's capitalized. We copy this, come back here, and then we paste it as a value. And the reason why we do that is that it does take care of so in case any change happens to the data, that it won't alter data itself, or it won't write an error. So now if you look at this, now we do have this one as clean, we do also have this one as clean, we do have this one as clean, we do have the dates clean, and we do also have the scores clean. So sometimes what I do is just to have, I highlight the first part, then increase this one. So this is an easier way to, a little bit of a way to do data cleaning. And just to reiterate what we did, the first part we did was finding, removing duplicates within the data, and then we did handling any missing values for the emails and age, and also for the score. And then we normalize the data by basically making sure that capitalized letters are taken care of. And then also we did corrected any errors that we do see, and especially for the name where we had null, I just, because it's a small sample, we could see it and take it out. But if there would be many, you could use the same process of find and replace, going to specials, and then finding what's null, and then replace it whichever letter that, or with whatever information that you would want to do so. All right, and then what I also would do here is we would filter it. Now, so let's click all these and then filter. And what the filter will help us with is that to actually make sure that, for example, if we want to take care of the data that is not helping us, which is the unknown and also the blank space, apply filter. So now we can actually get rid of this one and then delete it that way. Now just remove the selected all, apply filter. So now if you see, the unknown is actually not there. And also we do see that, let me see, no email. So Bob Brown with this age doesn't actually have an email, and then we can query it from other areas if we do know his other informations, or if we do have a data related to that individual, and replace it with a no email. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please let me know. And again, thanks for watching the video.